Hi there. Are you looking for a quick and easy way to share code snippets online? GoOnlineTools.com is a great platform that allows you to do just that. Here's how to use it. First, visit GoOnlineTools.com in your web browser. Search Share Code Snippets inside GoOnlineTools.com. You can also check video description for direct link. On the Share Code Snippets page, you'll see a box where you can enter your code snippet. Simply type or paste your code into this box. Once you've entered your code, you can select the programming language that it is written in from the drop-down menu. This will help ensure that the code is properly formatted and highlighted when it is displayed. If you want to share your code anonymously, you don't need to log in. If you want to be able to edit or delete your code snippet in the future, log into your account and manage your code snippets. When you're ready to share your code, click the Share button. This will generate a URL that you can use to share your code snippet with others. To view your code snippet, simply visit the URL that was generated. It will be displayed in a clean and easy-to-read format, complete with syntax highlighting and line numbers. That's all there is to it. With GoOnlineTools.com, sharing code snippets online has never been easier.